At 42, I stared at my bank account after a long shift. Less than $200. No savings. Too many bills. I felt behind, ashamed, and overwhelmed. But here's the truth. I wish someone had told me it's not too late. You can rebuild. Hey there, welcome back. Today we're talking about something a lot of us over 40 quietly stress about. Money. Whether you've gone through a job loss, divorce, or just never saved the way you planned, it's okay. What matters is what you do next. You still have time, you still have power, and you've got wisdom now. That's your edge. Let's talk about some of the most common financial mistakes people make after 40. Number 1, ignoring debt. We hope it goes away. It doesn't. Number 2, no emergency fund. One surprise, like a car repair or medical bill, and everything falls apart. Number 3, lifestyle creep. As we earn more, we start spending more, thinking we deserve it. And number 4, thinking it's too late to invest. It's not. Even 10-15 years of smart investing can make a huge difference. So how do you rebuild? Start with 3 practical steps. First, track your spending. Every single dollar. You can't fix what you can't see. Second, start an emergency fund. Even saving $500 can give you breathing room. Third, tackle your debt. Whether you use the snowball method or avalanche, just pick one and stay consistent. Don't wait for perfect. Start small and build from there. Let me tell you about Maria. She was 49, laid off from her job, and $30,000 in credit card debt. No savings, 2 kids, and a lot of stress. But she got serious. She started freelancing from home, tracked every expense, and made small payments weekly. 3 years later, debt-free, $15,000 in savings, and she bought her first home. No magic. Just mindset and momentum. So what can you do right now? Step 1, list all your debts. Don't be afraid of the number, face it. Step 2, cancel one subscription or expense today. Step 3, start saving just $25 a week. Step 4, set a 90-day financial goal. Maybe it's to pay off one credit card or save $500. Make it specific and realistic. Here's the truth. You are not starting from scratch. You're starting from experience. That makes you powerful. You've lived. You've failed. You've overcome things before. And you can do this too. You're not too old. You're just getting started. Let's quickly recap. Mistakes? We've all made them. Action? That's what moves the needle. Small steps, done consistently, can completely change your life. So start tracking. Start saving. Start planning. Financial freedom isn't about age, it's about action. Now I want to hear from you. What's one financial challenge you're facing right now? Drop it in the comments. I read every one. And if this video helped you, hit that subscribe button. Next week, we're diving into a 5-year comeback plan. Even if you're starting from zero, you've got this.